Hi everyone, welcome to our today's lesson. This is a very brief lesson here, it's very important, and we'll be looking at how to subscribe to Intersect's membership package. And today we'll be focusing on the individual membership package, how we can actually pay to be a full member of Intersect, and we are going to make the transaction using our Yoroi wallet or any of the native Cardano wallets. But in my case, I am going to use the Yoroi wallet because I've been getting messages from some community members. How can we do the registration? Is it possible to use our ADA and our Yoroi wallets to make payments? And I said yes, but and I also promised in the previous video lesson I recorded, that is introduction to Cardano's Intersect, that the next lesson will be how to actually subscribe for the membership package, where you can have full access to what that membership tier actually presents. So that is what I am going to quickly do today. So today's lesson is going to be very short yet impactful. And not forgetting, this lesson or tutorial is brought to you by Cardano Africa Academy. And here, our main goal is to make Cardano a household name in Africa. Yes, so let's quickly dive into our lesson for today. And so to start, all we need right now is to have our wallets integrated in our web browsers if you are using the PC. And also you must open the site, that is intersectmbo.org, the site in your browser, so we can proceed. Alright, so I'll just start the process and we proceed. Okay, so this is the beautiful website of Intersect. I know you are liking the features on it. Yes, it's a very simple but detailed site. So first of all, we will need to log in to the site. Alright, so in order to do so, I will click on the join button. Join. So it will ask me whether I am creating an account for the first time. Then I proceed by clicking on this blue button that says join now. But then, this was what we looked at in our previous lesson. It's on YouTube, so you can, if you haven't created an account yet, you can follow the tutorial to do so. But if you are already a member, which most of you who followed would be using the second option, already a member, so you click on the login button, and then they will ask you to provide your email. So I will provide my email address. Then I will request for a verification token, which will be sent to my email, where I will then proceed to my email, and where I'll proceed to my email to pick up that login information. Okay, so a verification token would have been sent to your email. Then all you proceed to your email, open up the message, and then proceed to copy the token, and paste in that text field. Alright, so I'll paste the verification token, and once it's the correct token, I'll be logged in automatically to the site. Okay, so alright, so this is the interface. That's the dashboard, and I think we briefly looked at we briefly looked at how to navigate through the dashboard. So today our main focus is on the membership registration. So I'll just proceed to the manage membership. I'll click on it. So realize that currently I'm an associate member. So that's what is showing here, associate. That means I don't really have much packages this offer actually presents. This is the free one, but then to be able to access all the full benefits of the individual tier, then I must proceed to register, and the registration is $10. Yes, so and since we are going to use our wallet to make payments, so you should have $10 worth of ADA in your wallet and a little amount for transaction fees, so that in the end the registration process. So I'll proceed to click on manage membership. So like I said, the associate is free, and but then today we are interested in what? The individual member. And so you always pay an annual membership fee of $10 every month. So once it is done today, then next year around this time you should be able to renew again, and you'll be notified before the renewal is due. All right, so we looked at the benefits already. I'm not going to do that again, so I'll just proceed to make payment. So I'm going to select the individual membership tier. So I'll select, then all I need to do is to read the membership agreement, then proceed to what? Accept. And once I confirm the agreement, then alright, so after confirmation, what you need to do is to enter your billing address. So in my case, these are my details. I have entered country Ghana, then the rest, some few personal information. Then you provide the zip code as well. Then you proceed to next. Then now you have the opportunity to either pay with your credit card, that's a Visa card, MasterCard, or you pay with ADA. Alright, so in my case, I am going to pay with ADA because I have some ADA in my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click on select button. Okay, so these are the benefits I tend to enjoy as an individual member. So these are the key benefits, all benefits of what? Associate tier. Then Intersect voting rights, I am able to vote and be voted for, participate in committees and working groups. Then eligibility to be selected for a board seat. So these are very good benefits that you actually acquire, and this is actually true value for money. Yes, so you are able to, the $10 is worth it. Yes, so I'll proceed to now pay. So I'm going to click on the pay button at the bottom right, and yes, so I have my Yoroi wallet integrated into my web browser. So that is why you can see that automatically the system selects Yoroi as the native wallet to make the payment. So I'll proceed to click on it to connect my wallet. So I'm connecting. So good. So my wallet with some amount of ADA there. So if there were 10 wallets, I have to select the wallet I will use to make the payment. So in my case, I'm just going to select the wallet I have here. All right, so so the $10 plus fee inclusive is approximately 26.409522 ADA to be able to make this transaction. All right, so in order to so I'm paying a fee of 0.1988 8833 ADA. Sorry about that. Yeah. And so the total is 26.210689 ADA. So in order to sign off this transaction, I need to enter my spending password, which should be known to you and you alone. And once it is the password is entered correctly, then you proceed to confirm. The transaction has been signed off. Now you can see the information I am getting on my dashboard. That is membership status is what? Pending. This is the payment info. Please wait, we process your transaction. So once this is done, I think in some few minutes, if everything goes well, you should receive a notification that that shows that you have successfully subscribed to the individual membership package, where you can now have full access to every benefit or all benefits the individual membership tier actually presents. So basically, that is how to subscribe to the individual membership, and that's paying with your ADA tokens in any of your native wallets. All right, so I'll make sure to come back to this page to show you after the entire process how the membership page will now look like after the payment has been completed. Yes, so this will actually change from pending. All right, so I've just received a message right now. Thank you for being a part of Intersect's journey. So the payment is successful, and this is the message I am receiving now. So go to my dashboard. So I'm going to click on go to my dashboard, and let's see what the interface will look like now after the payment. All right, so this is the payment. So now the payment is successful and the dashboard is active. We are currently on the dashboard interface right now. And now looking at the membership status, so you see it expires 1st December 2026. So it's for 1 year, and now the status is what? Active. All right, so this is what I now am able to what? Enjoy. All right, so basically that is it. And if you have any questions, kindly drop it on our YouTube channel below this video, or send the info to me on Telegram or via email, where I can respond. All right, so thank you. Like I said, this is supposed to be a very short lesson, so I would like to thank you for your attention, and enjoy the vast opportunities Intersect actually present. So their website, like I stated already, is intersectmbo.org. Then you can follow them on X at IntersectMBO, and also learn more from their knowledge base at docs.intersectmbo.org. You'll be able to read a lot from the sites. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.